I often get asked, how do you use a pendulum? This is something that I teach in my Kinesi intro course. I've done many videos on it before, but I thought I would refresh all your memories with showing you again how to use a pendulum. So there are many different types of pendulums. You can get ones like this that are just a standard kind of point. You can get them in clear quartz or amethyst or pretty much any different crystal. There's lots of these that you can get. You can get ones that look like this, that are a crystal with like a metal part on the bottom that you can use as a pendulum. You can get plain metal ones like this, really cute, and you can get ones like this. This is an Egyptian pendulum, which I love, so I'm going to show you with this one. So tips for using your pendulum. First of all, you want to make sure that you've connected with your pendulum and that you've cleansed it. Use clearing spray, use Palo Santo, incense sage, etc. Make sure you've connected with it and wrap it over your finger like so. So it's just holding and hanging there. Then you want to make sure you put your hand underneath it to ground it. And you're going to tune in for a moment and say, show me a yes. Mine will always do a circle, and it's doing that now. So I know a yes is a circle for me. And then I want to do show me a no. And a no for me, yeah, it always goes in a line. You just need to know what a yes and no is for you, and then you can ask any question and get the answers. So just say, show me a yes, show me a no, and then you can start using it based on the response that you get from your pendulum. Enjoy.